Are you curious about how to make your Python code more efficient? Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Which is more efficient for auto-completion support in Python, docstrings or type hints? Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which method to choose. I totally get it. When you're coding, every little bit of efficiency counts. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, figuring out the best way to document your code can be a real challenge. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, which method of documenting types adds less overhead in terms of memory usage and running time? They want to know if using function docstrings or type hints is the better choice for their Python code. Let's explore this together. To understand this, we need to look at how both methods work. Docstrings provide documentation within the function itself, while type hints offer a more modern approach that integrates with Python's type system. Each has its pros and cons, and we'll break them down. And don't go anywhere. I have a surprising fact about Python's performance that you won't want to miss at the end of this video. To begin, the user should understand the difference between using docstrings and type hints in Python. Docstrings provide documentation within the function, while type hints offer a way to specify the expected data types directly in the function signature. Next, the user should consider the memory usage of each method. Type hints are evaluated at runtime, but they do not add significant overhead. In contrast, docstrings are stored in memory and can increase the memory footprint of the application. Now let's look at the running time. Type hints can improve performance slightly because they allow for better optimization by tools like Jedi. Docstrings, while useful for documentation, do not contribute to performance enhancements. Finally, the user should consider using both methods together. Combining docstrings with type hints can provide comprehensive documentation while maintaining efficiency. This approach allows for better code readability and usability. Fun fact: Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. So if you ever feel stuck, just remember to keep it lighthearted. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. So which is more efficient? Generally, type hints tend to have less overhead in terms of memory usage and running time compared to docstrings. However, the best choice often depends on your specific use case and coding style. This user points out that for autocompletion, neither docstrings nor type hints are strictly necessary. They also mention that type hints are rarely found in standard library or third-party packages. Additionally, they share their experience using Jedi and Emacs for several years without encountering performance issues, suggesting that performance concerns may not be a significant worry. Here's a quick tip. If you're using an IDE that supports type hints, take advantage of that feature. It can significantly improve your coding experience and help you catch errors early. And there you have it. Now you know the differences between docstrings and type hints. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips on Python programming. And remember, keep coding efficiently.